bought the same pump? Same brand, same specs, same model. But in one building it works perfectly. In another, noise, low flow, or early failure. Let's talk about why that happens. Part 1. The system shapes the performance. A pump's performance isn't just about the pump. It's about the system it's installed in. Here's what changes everything. Suction conditions, NPSHA, piping length, bends, elevation, inlet, outlet diameter mismatches, control system setup, on, off versus VFD, daily flow fluctuation. Part 2. 3 real-world scenarios. Case 1. Low flow in high building. Pump couldn't overcome static height, needed booster staging. Case 2. Cavitation in basement install. Suction pipe too long, low inlet pressure, NPSHA problem. Case 3. Frequent on-off cycling. No buffer tank, oversized pump, short cycling, seal wear. Each failure was blamed on the pump. But the real problem? System conditions. Part 3. What to check before you blame the pump. Check static and dynamic head. Evaluate flow variation. Match pipe sizes and pump flanges. Make sure the control logic fits the demand. Look for air pockets or priming issues. A great pump can't fix a bad system. But a smart system makes any pump perform better. We enhance performance by design at Fluidemy by Ebitt.